What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little test drive. Definitely hit that subscribe button. We post videos every single day. Try to go over all these cars and give you all the facts, what they need, how they run and drive. You can get financed at maplemotors.com. You can also get shipping information. We ship these cars all over the nation. This car here has a 289 in it. It is the A code. Super quiet motor, running nice and smooth. Really clean car. Nice little fastback Mustang here. When we get back, I'm going to be doing a walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're coming to buy. All right, guys. If you don't mind, like I said, hit that subscribe button and share these videos. That helps us out greatly. It's that time. We're going for a test drive. Look around the car before we take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? They took away my horn pole. YouTube just quit doing that. So taking a look across the dash, it's in pretty good shape. The interior in this car looks nice. Carpet's in decent shape as well. Back seat folds down on this one. Headliner looks good. Let's go ahead and start it up. Think the horn works? It does work. Did y'all hear that? One more time. Wipers, they do work. Radio, I heard it jamming when I got in. It does work. Give it a second.
And by the way, if I'm a Toronto Blue Jay, did you see?
See? Blower motor. I hear it. It's slow to start, but yes, now it's blowing. There's no AC in this car. All right, guys. It's showing 20,000 miles on the dash. It's hard to stand behind. Gas gauge is all the way down. We're definitely going to be stopping to get some fuel, and it's still cold. So all right, guys, let's take off. Get ready to take off down the road, do this test drive. Anything that I see I will let you know about, because I definitely don't want any surprises when you get here. Alternator light was just on until I gave it a little gas and it cut off. Be watching for that. Looks like it's got a USB connection in the ashtray. That way, if you want to plug your phone in, listen to some tunes, it connects to the radio. We'll wait for this truck to go on by us and we'll take off here. Speedometer's coming up on this car. Seems to be correct. Steering's nice and tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Kick down is hooked up. Kick down's what I refer to as a passing gear. Feels pretty good going down the road. It's going straight, it's not pulling to the left or right at all. Try my brakes. Brakes are stopping fast. So far so good. Nice running and driving car here. And the temperature gauge is coming up. The gas gauge is floating around a little bit. We're going to stop, put about $20 worth of premium fuel in it, see if it comes up. If so, then all of our gauges work. I think everything's working in this car so far. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. The switch feels good. Suspension's not bad either. Went over that curve just then. We'll be checking that more throughout the video. All right, let's get some fuel. Even the light and the shifter works. Got a little bit of gas up here at the station. Put the gas right in behind this cap here. Looks to be new. Nice and snug. Let's see if the gauge works. It does work. The gauge is coming up. All of our gauges work. All the electronics work in this car. All right, let's take off. I'm not used to seeing the little light on the shifter actually working. It's pretty cool. It lights up green. Well, we're getting ready to pull in this parking lot here. I'm gonna get some outside shots. I usually put all my equipment down below in the description if you're interested in making videos. See what I'm using. YouTube always downgrades the quality of the videos, I guess for streaming purposes. And this towel right here is a lifesaver if it's hot. So I got the link to it too below in the description. Let's get these outside shots. Okay, I'm gonna jump y'all off in the driver's seat here. Got you on the head cam looking goofy, but I feel like it gives a good representation of what it feels like to drive one of these things. Engine temp hasn't came up much at all. It's almost halfway there. It's not a huge motor, so it should stay fairly cool. Try not to turn my head too much. I don't want to make y'all nauseous. This car's definitely a good driver. I wouldn't be afraid to put miles on this one, that's for sure. This road here has a nice speed bump in it. We're gonna hit it at a moderate speed, kind of give you an idea. The suspension feels nice in this one though. The bump's coming up right here. Could hardly even feel it. I think the guy I just passed has a carburetor he's bringing me from my car. I hope so. I'll put it on tonight. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull back in the lot here. And I'm gonna get this walk around done. We're gonna do a walk around on this car, point out any kind of flaws on the inside, outside, check the trunk, and give you some undercarriage shots. We got the lot guys out here washing today, making them shine. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. Be happy to help you out. It also has financing and shipping available. You can go check those out easily, because we provide all the information on the website there. So getting ready to do a walk around video on this one, point out all the flaws. If you're new to the page, hit that subscribe button. Post videos every single day. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all have a good one. Thanks, guys.